All right, today it is Friday, December 4th, I think it is. 5th, December 5th. Alexa, what day is it?
It's Friday, December 5th.
It's the 5th. All right, we're going to tackle today the oil leak that it has on the transmission. I just checked the oil on the engine. It is low about 3 freaking quarts, so we're running about 2 quarts in that bitch. I went to Honda and I bought some manual transmission fluid, and then I got the the transmission seal for the driver's side. Because I noticed last night or yesterday that it was leaking oil from the from the driver axle right there. You can see it. So we're gonna replace that axle seal. I'm gonna try to get away with maybe just by removing the ball joint. I can't take off this wheel because I don't have the lug nuts for this. My boss actually gifted me that 9 Gen Civic. I'm gonna take off the wheels, then I'm gonna break these lug nuts off and then replace those wheels and replace the lug nuts. Then we're gonna have to tackle this bitch here because it's leaking oil. But I have the easy drain coming in, so I think it comes in on Saturday or Sunday, tomorrow or the next day. So until then, and then I'll do the oil change on that. But for now, we'll do the oil change on the transmission, and let's go ahead and get to it. I don't know why they would put a washer on here. At least that doesn't look like it's leaking oil. I wonder how much oil it has, though. That's the real freaking question. We shall see. Oh man, it's gonna make a mess everywhere. I already know. Ooh, that shit looks black though. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, thank God I'm changing it out. Oh, mames, the fucking axle wasn't even clicked all the way in. I legit just slid it out. Maybe that's probably why it was leaking. But since we're here, I'm gonna replace the seal. Fuck it. That is definitely not the right seal either. That is definitely not the right seal. Alright, and I removed the axle from here. And I heard that click. Shit, yeah. There was a space there before. There ain't no space no more. Let's put everything back together. And let's see if I have enough time to throw these suckers back on. Fuck yeah. We also need new bolt joints. There they are. Oh, you can't see it. There they are. All messed up. I do have lifetime warranty on the bolt joints here. So as soon as I return all these parts and get my replacement parts, we'll be able to slap it onto this vehicle as well. Control arms, sway bar links, ball joints, all the good stuff. Except for the tie rod ends. Those I've never replaced. Good old Honda. Alright, so let's get back to it. The way this front one does not fit. It's too small. Oh, wait. This goes right here. I'm so fucking wrong. Fuck yes. Alright, and this is history in the making. So this was mangled up from the accident. I bolted it on. I'm trying to bend it back into place. Almost got it there. Bolted this one down. And this one is almost going to bolt up. So I think I am going to put the bolts on here for this to kind of strap this down. I'm using that big old pry bar. I tried using that sledgehammer, but it didn't do nothing. So we're going to tie this down, and then we'll make our adjustments as needed. Heck yeah, bringing this shit back to life, I'm telling you. Right, and we open up the back so we could do the rear one. Let me see real quick if it lines up. Sweet, it does. So I'm gonna slap that sucker on, clean this up real quick. Heck yeah, it is coming together. And I seen that there's also other ones that go like from here to here, I think. Somewhere. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea, but I've seen online. I could be wrong. But anyways, heck yeah, coming together. And there it is. Shit yeah. Let's seal this up. Right, now that I have all that done, I'm gonna refill the transmission. That refill bolt is right in the back of it here. And I'm using a 17 with a swivel. I'm using a 1/2-inch ratchet. Get these spider webs out the way. Oh, and I'm gonna have to maneuver my way in there and reach that bolt. Can't see it, but I am doing it. There it is. And we'll put our OEM manual transmission fluid, 2 quarts in there. Shit, yeah, and we should be good. Right, and we're just gravity feeding that right into the transmission port. 1 quart, here we go. We're gonna top it off with 2, baby. Shit, yeah. All right, so it actually had pretty close to 2 quarts, so that's good. It wasn't too low, but it was freaking disgusting. And yeah, just waiting for AutoZone to drop off some oil to top off that oil, because it is pretty dang low. And once they top it off, we're able to start the sucker up and call it a day. Sweet. Thank y'all for watching, man. Really appreciate every single one of you guys sticking around and watching this future build of mine come to life. Thank you guys so much. Really wouldn't be possible without you guys. You guys make this happen. Thank you. She feels hecka good with the Trac bars. I just been driving on the freeway, and there's a pretty good turn merging into the 41 from the 180, and I was able to take it, ripping it. I love it, bro. She fucking loves this tune. I'm data logging right now, so I'm gonna start messing with the tune myself. I've been watching my buddy how he does it, so I'm gonna try to kind of mimic it, and we'll see what happens, see how she likes it. But looks like there was an accident on the other side of the freeway. There's a fire truck and everything on the 41, and there's a, you can tell it was an accident. Anyways, we're almost home. Just doing this data log, making sure everything is copacetic, and it is. She is loving it.